How to fix Hueneme Negev networking error in COD MW2. Welcome back to Teknobalta. Today, we are tackling one of the most frustrating connectivity issues in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, the infamous Hueneme Negev networking error. During our investigation, we discovered that this error completely blocks access to the servers, preventing players from even accessing the offline campaign mode. Our technical team has spent hours diagnosing this communication failure to bring you the definitive guide on resolving it. Teknobalta's analysis revealed multiple layers to this network blockage, and we have tested every single method to ensure your game connects seamlessly. Let us dive right into the complete diagnostic process. Teknobalta's primary diagnostic testing showed that routing your connection through a virtual private network can completely bypass the Hueneme Negev server blockade. We recommend launching a secure service like Proton VPN or AVPN before starting your game to establish an initial handshake with the Call of Duty servers. Once you are successfully past the main menu, you can safely disconnect the VPN to maintain your standard ping without dropping the active session. During our deep dive analysis, we noticed that specific anti-censorship and DNS routing software, particularly a program called Goodbye DPI, actively conflicts with the Modern Warfare 2 server protocols. If you have this software running in the background, it will completely block your connection to the game networks. Ensure that Goodbye DPI and any similar background packet manipulation tools are completely closed via the task manager before launching the game. Our testing confirmed that corrupted local DNS caches often misdirect the game client away from the official server IP addresses. You need to open the command prompt as an administrator and execute the command ipconfig/flushtons to clear out old routing data. After the confirmation message appears, this will force your system to request fresh and accurate server addresses on your next launch. Following the DNS flush, it is crucial to request a completely new dynamic IP lease from your local router. By typing ipconfig/release followed by ipconfig/renew in the elevated command prompt, you completely reset the local network handshake. Teknobalta has found this quick protocol reset resolves hidden IP address conflicts that trigger the networking failure code. The Windows Socket API can sometimes become corrupted by third-party applications, preventing modern games from establishing stable network sockets. Running the netch winsock reset command in your administrator console will strip away any conflicting network overlays. You must restart your computer after applying this fix to successfully rebuild a clean socket directory. Default domain name servers from your internet provider are notoriously slow and frequently fail to resolve the fast-changing matchmaking servers. We strongly advise navigating to your network adapter settings and changing your IP4 DNS settings to 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0, 0, 1 for Cloudflare or 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4 for Google. Our technical benchmarks prove these public DNS servers significantly reduce the occurrence of the Negev error. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 relies heavily on classic IP4 architecture, and active IP6 protocols can sometimes cause data packet routing confusion. Inside your network connections control panel, right-click your active adapter, select the Properties menu, and uncheck the box next to Internet Protocol version 6. This simple adjustment forces the game to use the much more stable IP4 pathway, eliminating a major point of failure. Many users overlook the hardware side of networking, but our engineers always recommend a hard reset of your local routing equipment. Unplug your modem and router from the wall outlet. Wait exactly 60 seconds to drain the internal capacitors, and then plug them back in. This clears the router's temporary memory and establishes a fresh, unthrottled connection to your internet service provider. Sometimes the network failure is not your internet connection at all, but rather corrupted configuration files within the game installation directory. Open your Steam library, access the Properties menu for Modern Warfare 2, navigate to the Installed Files section, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will automatically scan and replace any damaged networking modules that might be triggering the error code. A clogged Steam download cache can directly interfere with the background authentication processes required before the game connects to its data centers. Navigate to the Steam Settings menu, select the Downloads tab, and click the Clear Download Cache button to wipe these temporary files. You will need to log back into your account, but this frequently removes ghost data, causing login timeouts. Strict Windows Defender firewall policies often misidentify network traffic as a security threat, completely blocking outgoing packets. You must search for the firewall settings in Windows, select the option to allow an app through the firewall, and ensure both private and public network boxes are checked for the executable file. This creates a secure exception rule, ensuring uninterrupted communication with the game servers. During our extensive lab testing, we found that overzealous third-party security suites often intercept and block the data packets required for matchmaking. We recommend temporarily disabling the real-time protection modules in your specific antivirus software before launching the game. If the game connects successfully, you will need to permanently whitelist the game folder within your security suite. Universal Plug and Play is a crucial router feature that allows the game to automatically open the specific ports it needs for stable communication. You must log into your router's administrative gateway using your web browser, locate the advanced network settings, and toggle UPnP to the enabled position. This dynamic port configuration solves strict NAT-type issues that lead directly to the error message. If your system has accumulated years of conflicting network configurations, a total wipe might be the only way to restore proper connectivity. Navigate to the Windows Network and Internet settings, scroll down to Advanced Network Settings, and click the Network Reset button. This comprehensive process reinstalls all network adapters and sets every networking component back to its factory default state. Wireless connections are highly susceptible to packet loss and micro disconnects, which the game's servers immediately flag as a total network failure. Teknobalta strongly advises running a high-quality Ethernet cable directly from your router to your computer to eliminate Wi-Fi instability. A hardwired connection provides the flawless and uninterrupted data stream required to bypass the network roadblock permanently. Don't forget to follow Teknobalta for more.